What up, Two-Time Moto gang? It's your boy Two-Time Moto TV, and we back with another video. We taking the Crown Vic to the transmission shop, so it's bye-bye for the Crown Vic for about a week or two. Hopefully it'll be about a week and a half. But yeah, man, for those who don't know, this is a Crown Vic custom on 28s. Has the hood scoop, has a lot of performance parts, close to 400 plus horsepower. I will be going to go get a dyno tune after the transmission shop ordeal. So we about to go and slap some performance parts, some race parts, all them kind of parts into this transmission, man. So the whole transmission can be fully rebuilt with heavy duty performance race parts. And I'm gonna slap on the screen right here a description of what's going into it. So yeah, y'all, that's a quick update with what we got going on. I'm about to back out of this garage. I'm gonna have my car for a little bit of time, hopefully not too much. So when I get there, I'll know more. This is my first time dealing with these people, but they are Ford people. They are Ford guys. So they're gonna be taking the transmission out and sending it to somebody that does all of this kind of work. And it's a fair price. I mean, it's a great price if you ask me. So yeah, man, y'all stay tuned, yo. I'll let y'all know when I get there what the whole ordeal is, whether I do it or not, but I'm probably gonna do it. So yeah, man, y'all stay tuned, sit back and relax, and enjoy this video. Hey y'all, I'm saying goodbye to the bet, man. She gotta go. She got to go. She hurt my pockets. She going to a new home. I need to get me a tow truck, man, tow something like that around. Look pretty good on a tow truck. But nah, man, gonna go get some transmission work done. So I'm getting it towed there. Might as well use my insurance while I got it. Like I said, transmission man acting a little funny. You know, it ain't too bad, but I'd rather get it towed there since it's going a longer distance than expected. But I should have it back within maybe a week. They are talking a little bit shorter than that, but you know, I don't want to get disappointed, so I give it a week total. Talking maybe 3 days, 4 days, but that's too short to get a whole transmission rebuilt with race parts and all that good stuff. I just want to be ready, y'all, so when I do hit the streets, I can drive this car long distances. I ain't got to worry about the transmission. I'd rather worry about the motor or something, you know, before the transmission go out or won't go in gear or something. So, but yeah, man, that's what we got going on. When we get there, I guess I'll start back filming again, but y'all stay tuned. Let's see what we got. She don't look that bad though. Yeah, we almost there. Alright guys, so I got the car dropped off. He backing it up, about to do his thing now. Guess he about to put it in the garage. So they didn't know that I had long tube headers. They said it's probably the most modified Crown Vic they've ever seen in their life, but yeah, they didn't know I had long tube headers and things, so it may take a little bit longer to get the car out. Maybe by the end of next week is what he's shooting for. So yeah, man, we're gonna see. And these folks got a 5-star rating, so usually whenever I try to go with anybody automotive, you know, which I did move, so I'm trying to find that one shop, which is, this shop is just a strictly Ford shop. So they deal with nothing but Ford products. And yeah, man, I believe that they'll get me right. 5-star rating. And they know what they talking about and know what they doing. So yeah, man, we'll be without the car until the end of next week. But I'll definitely bring you guys updates about what's going on. I do want another project vehicle, so the bike may be gone soon. As soon as I sell that, that'll free up some funds so that I can get another vehicle. Y'all guys let me know what y'all want to see in the comments below. Something reasonable, something that we all can enjoy, and I'll just pick from that selection or whatever you guys say, man, and come up with some ideas and run with it. I want that to be real soon. Since we got enough space, we can do all the work ourselves to the car. I just don't have enough time right now to do any transmission work. But yo, once this channel grows, man, I'm gonna do everything to any vehicle myself. Maybe have one sidekick with me, you know what I'm saying, so we can tag team some projects or whatnot. But yeah, man, that's for the future. Definitely looking forward to it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, man. Know it wasn't much entertainment, but it is an update about what's going on with the Vic. She's gonna come out with some crazy performance parts. Still to come. I do wanna go 30s. Two-time Moto TV out, man. I'm about to take it to the heist, give me some rest. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.